Main production equipment for biodegradable tableware. Biodegradable tableware is made of various raw materials, such as PLA, starch-based, bamboo fiber, sugarcane fiber, etc. And the production equipment needs to be customized according to the characteristics of the raw materials and the process flow. Typical equipment includes 1. Extrusion molder. Purpose: heat and melt granular raw materials, such as PLA starch, and then extrude them through a mold, such as lunchbox holders, straws, knives and forks, etc. Technical features: precise temperature control. PLA melting point is about 160 degrees Celsius. Starch-based materials require high temperature for gelatinization. The mold design is complex and needs to be adapted to different tableware shapes. Trimming and cooling systems can be integrated to improve efficiency. 2. Thermoforming machine. Application: process paper-based or fiber-based materials, such as bamboo fiber board, the gas board, and form tableware by heating and pressing. Technical features: low temperature molding, pack -200 degrees Celsius. Low energy consumption. Suitable for producing large-sized tableware, such as trays, lunch boxes,